So students, in a previous video, what I have taught you about solution, ORS solution, and one experiment. This experiment proves what objects are light and what objects are heavier than water. So in this video, I will explain you another one experiment, that is, you can open page number 22. In this experiment, what you will see is, take one beaker, take one utensil with water and add mud in it. मट्टी डालिए, and that mud will be dirty, like उसमें घास होगी, उसमें कचरा होगा, उसमें मट्टी है. So what will happen, you mix it very well and later on I'll keep it in one place for about 4 to 5 hours. Okay, then what will happen, the mud will settle down and the dirt, that is dirt मतलब घास में जो गंदगी है वो सब ऊपर तैरेगी and मट्टी नीचे बैठ जाएगी. Okay, so what happens, particles of soil are heavier than water, so it will settle down, and the light particles like leaves, twigs, etc. are lighter than water, so it will float up. So the process of allowing heavier particle to settle at the bottom of the water is called settling. That process is called settling. Okay. Then, without disturbing that part, that water, what we will do, we will remove the water. We will pour the water in another vessel, and we'll remove the upper part, upper water. Okay, that will be clean, but that is not good for drinking. Why? Because there will be light dirty particles. Okay, उसमें गंदे पार्टिकल्स होंगे जो हल्के हैं, जो पानी में ऊपर है. नीचे का पानी हमने नहीं लिया बिकॉज उसमें मट्टी है. That is dirty, but upper part is also dirty. We can't see some organisms, some things that we can't see from our eyes that are also available in water. Okay. Now second part is, we have second part, that is water safe for drinking, that is potable water. Okay, potable water मतलब drinking water, इसको potable water बोलते हैं. Drinking water must be safe for our health. Pure water has no taste, smell or color. Okay, pure water है. I will show you one bottle. This is pure water. Why? Because it is transparent, no color, no bad smell, no taste in it. Okay, so this is clean water. But if this water would be brown in color, bad smell is coming, so this is not good for drinking. Okay, that is not good. What will happen if I drink that dirty water? I will become sick. Okay, we should avoid drinking dirty water. Now what happens, some people collect rainwater for their houseworks like washing, cleaning purpose. They collect rainwater, but what they do, they keep that water in one side and that mud will be settling down, and after that settling down they will use the upper water and they will do their work. Now I have a term, microorganisms, or micro means very very small. Here many microorganisms are available. On my hand many microorganisms are available, but some microorganisms are useful to our body and some are harmful to our body. Okay, so what happened, micro means small and organism means living thing. Okay, so some microorganisms are those things which we can't see through our eyes. Can you see microorganism on my hand? No, because it is very small, we can't see this. So did you eat yogurt? Dahi khate ho, right? Dahi, yogurt. That is also made with one of the microorganism. That microorganism is put in milk and then milk will become curd. दूध में वो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म डालते हैं जिससे वो दूध को दही बना देता है. ओके, दैट इज यूजफुल टू अवर बॉडी. What will happen if we consume that yogurt? We will not be sick, but some of the microorganisms when are in the while enter in our body, we will become sick. Like microorganism like coronavirus, that is harmful to our body. If it enter our body, we will become sick. We can even die. हम मर भी सकते हैं. So that is harmful. Yogurt microorganisms are useful to our body because yogurt, if we eat yogurt, we will have good digestion. Our stomach will work good. Okay. Then what? There are numerous kinds of microorganisms around us. They are in soil, in water, in air, on rock, and everywhere. Okay. So harmful microorganisms are also present everywhere. They can transport. वो किधर से one place to other place transfer हो सकते हैं. But how? Like if I touch anyone, it can transfer. If I wash my hand, it will not transfer. Microorganism will remove. Okay. So the good habit is wash your hands and then eat anything. Otherwise, the bad microorganism will enter your body and you will become sick. For water, when microorganisms are present in water, what will you do? You will boil the water. If you boil the water, we will kill the microorganisms. So you drink boiled water. So that is it for this chapter. Complete the notes and study well. Thank you.